Hello,
Hello. Hi.
how are you?
I'm very well. Thank you.
I am great.
Brilliant. My name's Laura and I'm from the UK.
Hello, Laura. Actually, I was reading your profile and you have masters in human resource.
I do indeed. Yes.
So, yes, I will be trying to, I'm also interested to learn from your skills that you have gained in your masters.
Okay.
Yes,
Um,
because I am interested to hire more people for my business. So, of
mhm.
course, you will be helping me in this way.
Brilliant. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ramzan.
Nice to meet you. And you're in India?
Yes, correct. I am in India right now.
Okay. And what's your business?
I am professionally a software engineer, and now I am freelancing projects and interested to increase the team, but not able to identify the good people. Since you are a human resource person, so just tell me that how I can start with all this stuff.
Oh, you're getting me on a very cheap rate, Ramzan. It's a
Yeah,
shame you're not in the UK.
really, this
So
Cambly is
are you,
helping me to connect
yes, Cambly is helping
wonderful,
you.
such a valuable people.
Brilliant. Great idea. So are you looking for permanent members of staff?
Yes, actually, I have some problem for example, I'm outsourcing some projects from different countries like
Hmm.
Europe and US and other Israel and something like that.
Hmm.
But currently, I am handling the whole stuff by my own.
Yeah, by yourself.
Yes, but the problem is that I cannot do all the stuff. I am interested to step forward and uh, explore the important things like artificial intelligence, machine learning,
Hmm.
robotics. But since I am stuck in the same level,
Hmm.
so where I am thinking that I need to allocate those tasks to other people and they should do for me, and I should improve my skills and move ahead with learning process.
Yeah, so I think you have to think about, do you want permanent members of staff or do you want to outsource it yourself? So that I think that's the first question as a business owner that you need to ask.
So
So
currently, the first thing is that I need to outsource, like a
no,
freelance.
no, no, you just need to be sure that you need permanent staff and for how long, because so in the UK,
Hmm.
someone in your position, for example, they might take on some freelancers to outsource the work that they can't do because they've got too much on,
Uh-huh.
or they might take on what we call a fixed term contract. So you say to someone, so you advertise the role and you say it's for 6 months. So
Yes.
they're on a temporary contract instead, because in case you take on a permanent member of staff and then in 6 months' time you
Uh-huh.
might not have as much work.
But as a beginner, what do you think? Because I don't have that much experience, and from last 6 months, I am getting more projects. So I am also interested to be more stable because I don't have
Mm.
bigger funds for paying to the team all the time.
Hmm.
So
So do you have the budget to hire somebody?
yes, I have the budget, but I am trying to start with first of all at least 5 team members.
Okay.
Yes. So what do you think
Not
that
just
how?
one.
Yes, yes, that is
Five people to do the same thing.
yes, because I am talking about designing development in mobile app or maybe websites.
Hmm.
So you can also think about that if I have the work in that. So I know that you are thinking that this is the small team, but in the development perspective, 5 members are doing a lot of stuff if they are
Yeah.
working in a team.
Oh
So
no, I didn't. I laughed because I thought you were going from nothing straight to 5, and maybe it was more sensible to just take on a couple of people to see how you get on.
okay, so you mean that this is also large?
It's quite a jump to go from just you, isn't it, to
No,
5.
actually, I am connected with some people who are already working for me.
Hmm.
So they are like one designer and two developers.
Are
These,
they freelancers?
yes, those are
Yeah.
freelancers. So once I am getting some extra work, so I'm sharing with them.
Okay, so would you want to hire them as employees?
I am not interested to hire those people who are already connected with me because I know that they are not good for me as a permanent basis because they have a kind of mindset, selfish mindset, you can call.
Okay, so they're good at what they do, but they wouldn't make very good employees.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so I mean, I guess your first point is to start advertising to see what sort of people you get applying. Would you
Okay.
want them to be in India, or would you be happy for them to work remotely around
Mm,
the world?
yes, yes. I am interested to keep them remote first of all, and later
Hmm.
on, I will establish the office and bring them to me.
But you would want them to be based in India.
Yes, for now it should be in India because you can imagine that if I am hiring from UK, so
Mm.
the cost would be more.
Yes, yeah. No, and I just wanted to check because some people now are deciding to hire people from different countries because they think that if someone can work at home, I just want the best person for the job, not necessarily someone that's in my country.
Yes, 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 right. But you can also think that if I will have hired some people from my own country, so I can negotiate with them in the initial stages.
Yes,
So,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Okay, well, have you got a job advert? And you need to look at what you want to be advertising for. Do you
So
know what you want from somebody?
yes, yes, I know. I want to share some skills which I have required, and those
Hmm.
are all technique related to technologies. Like these technologies are prerequisite if you are interested to work with me.
Hmm.
But the most important question is that how I can hire the trusted people. Because in most of the cases, for example, I'm hiring some freshers, so I need to first of all give them the training. And you can imagine that if we are giving the training to someone for about 2 months or 3 months, so we are also investing some time over there. And at
Yeah.
that, in that time period, we are not getting any benefit from them.
So
So yes.
are you doing the training, or would you pay for them to go on a course, for example?
Yes, initially I will have to provide them the training that what they will have to do.
Mm. Oh no, the reason I ask about the course is because if you're going to fund a course for them, for example, you could tie that in so
Mhm,
that if they left within a certain amount of time, they would
mhm.
have to pay you back. So at least you got back any money that you're spending on training.
Okay, so you mean that I should add some rules and regulations for those people
You
that
can
will,
in the UK. I'm not familiar with
no, no, no,
the law in
that's
India, but you
common.
can in the UK. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just thinking if you're having to do a lot of training with them because they're graduates,
Uh-huh.
and if that's going to cost you money,
Mhm.
and you're worried about them leaving once you've given them all of the knowledge, you
Yes.
can tie that in to the contract of employment in our country. So that's how we would get around that. But trusted wise, I think a really robust application process and really decent interviews. Yeah.
Okay, so you mean that I need to focus on that specific contract document which I am going to use to make the deal, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So in that way, they will be binding with me under the law of that country.
Yes, yeah.
So,
So you want to speak to someone that specializes in
yeah.
employment law in India, really, to see what you can do.
Yes. So thank you so much. We are out of time. So I
No
will be
problem.
posting once again really valuable information.
Oh, that's great.